Now take a look at this. This is from years of working on these little bikes and having a kind of a sixth sense of what may be going on with them. Here we have, I know the light isn't that good, but I've got the stator and the windings, and you can see they're all covered with dust, which has got to be blown off. I don't think I'll remove the stator or anything like that, but I want you to look at this here. I'm going to put this under the light. This is what I'm talking about if you have a top speed problem. Okay, here's the light. Now remember, this flywheel has never been pulled before. What you see there is a huge, thick, look at this. Look at all that. A thick coating of dust. The magnets cannot work when you have this problem. And this is only because that this farmer had a 1 or 2 mile dirt road that he rode this on, and it collected this. Now the reason I point this out is because if you own a Honda Ruckus, okay, Honda Ruckus has a dual stator that runs one way and it runs the other way. But during that magnetic current, it collects a lot of dust. If, this is the tip of the day, for all you Ruckus owners, if you have a bike that everything works but the starter will not work, this is your problem. And you will not be able to tell from the outside because the outside looks, look at it, looks perfect from the outside, almost. But when you get into the windings and the magnets, this is what you're going to see. This is what you can't have. Your bike will start and it will work with dust in it like this. It will not work at high speed. So I was right. I feel really good about that. I'm going to take this inside and I think I'll blow this. I may take this apart. If I do, I'm doing it very, very carefully. They don't make this anymore. So this is full of dust. This is full of dust, and I may even get a better top speed out of it. Remember, if you have an electrical field on your bike at all, it does collect dust. Now usually when a Ruckus starter stops working, it's usually 5, 6, 7 years old. Maybe it's got 12,000 miles on it. But if you have a Honda Ruckus with starter problems, this is usually the problem right here. And you cannot tell from the outside. It looks absolutely normal. So I'm going to clean this off and see what it looks like.